Welcome to the Pegasus Learning Platform. Pegasus is your home for clinical simulation and learning resources. This quick timeout covers donning sterile gloves.
Today I'm going to show you how to don sterile gloves. Now you may get a package like this that you have to peel open, or if you're using a kit, it may come with a set of sterile gloves in it. Look at the writing on there. Make sure that when you open your package like this, that the writing is in the correct direction. When you open the package up, you'll see that it indicates what side's to the left and what side's for the right. Just make sure you have this in the correct direction, and you want to flatten this out a little bit. Take the time to go ahead and flatten that out because it makes it less likely to fold up when you're trying to put the gloves on. So I'm going to flatten this one out, and then I reach my hand in like this and I pull it open. And I'm going to consider 1-inch border around the whole package to be not sterile. So I want to put this glove on first. Now I can touch this right here because this is the cuff that's going to be against my skin. So some people pick their gloves up like this. Well, it's going to make it very hard for you to hold on to it when you slide your hand in. So go ahead and get your thumb under there and get a good grip on it. And then you're just going to slide your hand in like that and just go right on. Now for this hand, I'm going to put my fingers under the cuff, under the cuff. And then I'm going to hitchhike my thumb out because if I keep my thumb against it like this, I'll actually drag that thumb up my palm when I slide the glove on and it won't be sterile anymore. So hitchhike your thumb out, and then you're going to just slide your hand in this glove as well. And then you can take your finger and tuck it under the cuff to straighten it out on both sides. And there you go. You've put on your sterile gloves.
Please note that this is a brief overview only. This quick timeout is for a short study break. Understanding how to maintain sterile technique involves more than this QT covers. Please review your course text for further information on this topic, and thank you for your attention to the Pegasus Learning Platform.